he rangi tēnei ki te whakanui, ki te whakaohoho, ki te whakatairanga, te mea a tāhua o te hapori uenuku, ara ko te big gay outs.
Just proud to be takatāpui, proud to be Māori, staunch as, here to represent my people, our people.
Ara ngā tai o te āniwaniwa. Tōna te kaumano tāngata I tai atu ki te papa whenua irangi matarau tāmaki makaurau, ki te whakamana I tō rātou tuakiritanga.
Gay trans rights! Māori rights!
He wāhi hoko kai, he ratonga āwhina, he wāhi kanikani hoki. He wāhi pai mo te katoa, tai pakeke mai, tai rangatahi mai.
This time we've actually got us as elders, have been getting asked to kind of share our stories with the young people, and I'm finding it exciting.
Kua au atu te wā a tākuta huhana hiki e tohe ana mo ngā mōtika o tōna hapori. Hei tāna ka noho mai e nei kaupapa hei āhuru mo te hapori takatāpui, he wā hoki kia puta o rātou āwangawanga.
We feel we're losing the hard work we've gained. I grew up where I didn't know who we were, and we couldn't find it in school, in the books. I've got mokopuna transitioning, we've got non-binary mokopuna, we've got polyamore mokopuna. And what's really beautiful is they're comfortable in who they are and watching them. I don't want to lose that.
I tai atu te pirimia a Christopher Luxon ki te kaupapa, I wawe tana wehe.
Blood! Blood on your hands!
I ki taurangi te kāwanatanga ka hangaia e rātou he kaupapa akoranga hōkakatanga hou, nā whai anō I māharahara e tahi o ngā kaimahi I ngā kura.
Fortunately, it makes me feel like the call to arms is there, you know, like it's saddening that people don't understand that we've existed for millennia. And it makes me feel emboldened to do more mahi when I'm working with young people in kura.
I think it's detrimental that any government would think that they should interfere with the way in which we sit at the feet of each other and we learn from each other and we pass on through conversations and experiences so that people who are living in their truth, whether trans, whether non-binary, themselves aren't impacted as a result of a poor education system that doesn't factor them, that doesn't visibilise them, or provide them a voice.
I whakarewahia te petihana whakahaumaru I ngā rauemi ako kanorau e te āpitihana.
We have a responsibility to stand up for every rangatahi in our school in Aotearoa, New Zealand. Schools decide for themselves how that is implemented within their own communities. But, you know, like the kaupapa today, it's about inclusion. We want to make sure that every young person in our schools and kura is protected.
I feel like we've made real progress as a country. The general public, even our young people, have a much better understanding of our LGBTQI plus community, and we don't want to go backwards on that.
You know, the thing about rangatahi is they want to explore. They need avenues where they can feel safe, where they can feel inclusive, places like an event like today that allow them to be free, allow them to be valued, allow them to be whoever they choose to be.
It is important to stand with our rainbow whānau because it's about whakapapa. Whakapapa ensures that we honour everyone who is in our whānau and our hapori, our community, our hapua niwi.
Ko tā te hapori uenuku, ka koke tonu.
You are here, and we've existed before there was even text around us. Stand true in who you are, and if you ever need a help, find an auntie, because it's all the Indigenous brown women that make shit happen. Kia ora.
Hei ai ni ka kite I ngā hua o ngā panonitanga me te whaipānga ki ngā rangatahi me o rātou whānau. Whatitiri Te Wake, Tahu News.